Hey guys, so in this video I bring to you another set of very interesting opportunities. I'll be talking about 12 internship and job offers for the batch of 2022, 2023 and 2024. So the students who are in the second year, third year and final year can watch this video till the end. So I'll be talking about internship opportunities for 2023, 24 and 22, and I'll talk about one job offer for final year students only. So let's start the video. So first I would like to make a humble request. Please like the video. We are taking a target of 250 likes. As always, you guys help us a lot and help us achieve all the like targets we have for all kinds of video, whether it's 500, 1000, 250. So please like this video as well. More like help us reach more students and we are able to help more students like you. So please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, like 60% students who watch our video, they haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you get all the latest updates very fast. Also, you can join a WhatsApp group where you can get latest update on the WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is the most active app that you can use. The link is there in the description. So let's continue. First we'll talk about this internship, engineering internship at Zgram. It's a company, it's a good company which is there in Gurgaon. It's a remote internship. You can apply. It's there for multiple profiles. It was posted on 28th of October, so it's a long time. Many people must have applied, many students must have applied, so you can definitely go and apply. It's there for 2022 and 23 batch students, so third year and final year can apply. So link is there in the description in the same order in which I am discussing these opportunities. Second is internship at Nuance Communication for software engineering intern. It was posted 2 days ago. You can definitely go and apply at the link mentioned here, which is the link of the company. Okay, you can definitely go here, and it is also for same 2022 and 2023 batch students, third year and final years. Okay, you can check all the details and you can apply. So computer engineering, electrical engineering, computer science can apply for this role. It's a simple process. Link is there in the description. Next opportunity is for data analyst students who want to go into the analyst profile. This is not the data scientist profile. Let me clarify, this is not the data scientist profile. If you want to go in a data scientist profile, don't apply for this. This is a different field. This is also not a business analyst profile. This is a different profile from data scientist and different from business analyst. Yeah, this is a completely different profile. What it is, in this you have to visualize data, analyze data. So this role, at least this is role which helps data scientists. So you can see it in a way, this role helps data scientists. They work very closely with business analysts and data scientists. So they help data scientists. They are not the data scientists in itself. Some people in future, like after few years of experience, do become data scientists, but that is very few. But this is the role. If you are not that good in algorithms and maths, etc., then you can definitely go in this profile. It will give you an idea how data analysis works. You can definitely apply for this internship. MS Excel, etc. is asked. So some analysis related questions will be asked in the interview. So same 2022 and 23 can apply for this. Link is there in the description. NetScout, another very interesting opportunity. Same 22, 23 batch students can apply for it. Okay, link is there in the description. Next is the product manager intern. This is a 6-month internship at HackerRank. So it is a full-time internship from Jan to June 2022. So only final year students can apply. So it is only for 2022 batch. Okay, so for 23 you can apply to it the next year. So they have been consistently hiring for like last 6-7 years. So don't worry, they will hire for you as well. They hire for summer as well. Okay, so when the openings for summer comes, then you can apply. So it's a very simple process. Then you can just go and apply. 2022 batch student must apply for this. This is a very good experience and a lot of good exposure will be added to your profile. Okay, next is a fresher opening. It's a full-time opening for 2022 batch. The CTC offered is 4.5 LPA. The company name is Health Assist. It's a decent company, software development role offering there to you. The rounds in this will be MCAT test. There will be technical round, HR round. The joining is April 2022. Okay, there is no bond. They have a training agreement for 2.5 years. You can check all the conditions. Location will be a southern India. 70% is asked. Branches are mentioned. Okay, so you can definitely check it out and apply if you are if you are not placed yet, or if you have a package less than of 4.5. okay, so definitely check this, link is there in the description. So we have talked about 6 opportunities. Next 6 opportunities is of Qvet, as we have already explained to you, taught to you what is Qvet. Qvet is a platform like Internshala. It provides you a lot of technical internship. It has only internship for software development profile. So if you want to apply to any internship of it, you will find a link in the description, which will be the sign up link. You have to go to the Qvet platform. You have to just simply sign up. You will come at the sign up link. You will follow the sign up path, then you log in, and then you will come to the browse dashboard part. Go to the browse section, and then you see all the internship that you want to apply, and then just go to apply now. You have to fill some details and fill it. Okay, let's just talk about the openings that you can apply, and then you can just apply to whichever opening you want. First is the full stack developer, MERN stack developer at Math on Go. So they'll be offering you a stipend of 15 to 25k. Let me explain you what it is. It is depends on how many projects you have, how much experience you have. Like, let's say you have done 2 internship prior to it, you have made 4 projects prior to it, so they will be giving you 25,000. Let's say you haven't done any internship, you have just made 3 projects, so they will giving you around 18 to 19,000. Let's say you haven't done only 1 or 2 basic projects, so they will offer you like 15,000. Let's say if you haven't done any projects, then they will not hire you. Okay, so it varies on the basis of experience you have, how expert you are in development. So this range varies. It is of 3 months duration. It will ask you around 5 to 6 hours per day, so you can work extra on weekends and lesser on the days when you have more work from college assignment, etc. So it's a kind of a part-time internship. So you can check all the details and apply if you are interested. Second is internship at React.js developer at School Mitra. Okay, it is offering 7 to 15,000 stipend for 3 months. It is a per month stipend for duration of 3 months. Next is a front-end developer at EasyBee. So it's also very interesting, working on JavaScript based Chrome extension to improve the user experience. So it's going to be exciting projects. 10 to 15,000 per month stipend, 3 to 6 months of internship duration. There is also a PPO of the range of 3 to 5 LPA with this internship. Backend developer role, this is very exciting. This is a company which is working on a blockchain related product. So you can if you join this, you have to work on a blockchain related project. So if you are someone who is excited about blockchain, so you can definitely apply for this internship. This internship also comes with a PPO of 15 to 25 LPA, which is very good. So definitely explore it. There is also front-end internship in this same company of blockchain with a job offer of 13 to 25 LPA and stipend of 10 to 25k per month. And another company is ZooPay, offering a backend developer role. So in this you have to work on creating and updating REST API. There is no specific technology mentioned. Largely you have to work on the REST APIs. So APIs, like you have to work on the endpoints, customizing them, configuring them, changing them. So stipend is 5 to 10,000. It also comes with a PPO of 5 to 8 LPA. So starting date is 8th of November. So today is already, I think, 8th of November. So please apply fast. Last date is given 13th of November. It was already posted 5 days ago. So please apply fast. All these openings get closed very fast because there are so many students applying. The first 6 internships that I have told you, please apply ASAP to them because they get closed by the time we post, and within 1 or 2 days those type of internships get closed. If you have any queries, let us know in the comments, and also join the WhatsApp group link mentioned in the description.